Good morning, you guys. Well, good afternoon. So today we're gonna go on another boat ride. I know the last time you guys saw us, we went on like ATVs and everything like that. And today we're gonna go on another boat ride. This boat is just a little bit different from the other boat that we had. And then we're gonna have food and stuff like that. But right now, lunch is ready. But yeah, so I'm gonna go downstairs and eat lunch with the family. I'm gonna see. I wonder what we're gonna eat today. I don't know, but it's time to find out. All right, you guys, so we are getting ready to head out, and of course I have to show you guys my outfit of the day. So of course I'm still wearing like the same accessories. Nothing has really changed but the bag and the shoes. So I have on this bathing suit. This was actually from, who sent this to me? I don't remember what company sent me this bathing suit, but they sent me this bathing suit along with some other ones. I have the bottoms, of course, underneath my skirt. So I'm wearing this black midi skirt from Forever 21. And then my shoes, they're like these Croc sandals. I showed you guys these before I left. And this is my outfit of the day. Hello.
Hola.
Hola. Is it here? Car's here? Sister, what are we doing today?
We are getting on a boat, catamaran, a catamaran.
Catamaran.
Yeah, and then snorkeling again. We getting in this time.
Oh, hell.
You doing it? That's it.
She's crazy.
But Dad, this is the best part.
That's so cute though, Stina Bina. She's a birthday girl. Feliz cumpleaños. I love the sand, it's so soft.
It's so soft, like baby powder.
Yes.
No rocks inside.
He kind of look like Primo. He's over here right there. With the little blonde tip, he kind of look like Primo a little bit.
I was just saying that. Like,
Oh, floaties. So although it was like really cloudy and gloomy, it looked like it wanted to rain, honestly, but it was actually really hot and warm out there. It felt amazing. It was a nice breeze, very tropical. Photographers on deck. It's the second time. People always say she look like Nicki Minaj. She said she look like Nicki Minaj. too. Tia's always a party. I love you. A peacock. Look at the parrot.
What's going on?
Everybody just having so much fun out here. It's just a big old boat party. How do you get in? Oh! Wow! Look what he got, guys. Wow. He got the little hats, yeah. This lady. You guys, super coincidence. We found the boat that we were on last time with the same guys. So there's Primo over there. Oh, Primo. Hey, hey, hey. Yeah, and that guy over there is a captain. He was trying to get him his number. Hola. Hi. Christina, the captain. He threw me kisses. In the middle of the ocean. See them over there? Hey, 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 hey. They got a big old party bus over there. I don't want to be in there. She want me to get in, y'all. She mad. Oh, it's a football. Ba-dum-bum.
And if you don't know, tap your toe, nigga.
We are pulling in. It was basically like a big old party in the middle of the beach, in the middle of the ocean. The shit was tight. So, you guys, right now we're about to go to Latin night here, which every night is Latin night. I don't know why it's called Latin night. This is a Latin country, right? Caribbean. Oh, you can't see me now. I'll show you guys once we get inside. I'm gonna just show you guys what it looked like.
You used to call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. And I know when that hotline blink, that can only mean one thing. I know when that hotline blink, that can only mean one thing. Ever since I left the city, you got a reputation for yourself, nah. Everybody knows and I feel left out. Girl, you got me down, you got me stressed out. Cause ever since I left the city, you started wearing less and going out more. Glasses of champagne out on the dance floor. Hanging with some girls I never seen before. You used to call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need cell phone. Late night when you need my love. And I know when that cell phone. Late night when you need cell phone. Late night when you need. You used to call me on my You and me, we just don't get along. You made me feel like I did you wrong.
I've been trying to show y'all my outfit in there, but it's not working. Let's turn this light back on. So this is the outfit of the night. It's real cute, right? I also got this from Shein. It's definitely giving tropical vibes. I probably should have wore this yet tomorrow, but whatever. Anyway, so I have this bra on with it, so that's why it's looking how it's looking, you know, and I just tied it up like that. And yeah, it's just a cute little outfit, also from Shein. Nice little bell bottoms, and then of course, you know, got these sandals on. I have some orange ones too, but I was like, it don't matter because you're not gonna be able to see it because it's such like, these are like bell bottom pants. But yeah, this is the outfit of the night. Today is my sister's birthday, so we're about to have dinner for her birthday tonight. We've been pretty much eating breakfast, lunch, and dinner every day here. The chef has prepared about 3 meals a day, so we don't have to eat out or anything like that. We're just trying to stay as safe as possible, not really trying to go out to too many public places. So that's why we have a chef. But this house came with a chef, a butler, and a maid. They help us out around the house, and they are amazing people. So I will introduce them to you guys before we leave, though. But yeah, outfit of the night, real cute. But let me go downstairs because I got to take pictures and stuff with my sister. So I'll see y'all in a minute.
So what you're eating is, we call it aljama cream.
Aljama cream.
Yeah.
What kind of vegetable is it made out of? Pumpkin or jam cream?
Yeah, there's a vegetable that people make it's very rich, very a lot of minerals. You know?
Wow. We're supposed to put these on. Are we? Yeah. Look, guys. It's a party. It's a party. We should have had those little, what are they called? Little blowy things? Yeah.
The one who's blowing at mama party?
Yeah.
It's like a
Now we're all festive here. Mama T.
Oh, we gotta put this on. He's such a trooper. A black man would have been like, I'm putting that stuff on.
Right.
Wow, you're so beautiful.
Thank you.
Man.
He said, dang.
Damn.
came back.
You gotta tell me, come on.
You wanna tell you
You
something?
gotta talk.
What'd you say?
You're not a snitch, right?
Oh,
You're not a snitch, right? He said you're not a snitch, right?
We gotta tell you a secret.
I told you you're trying to fly back.
And he ain't talking about nothing. I told you once he get there, you gonna see who I really am.
He seen who he was.
Precious mama.
He
I
seen
ain't
you
nice like that,
crazy.
and I don't cook every day either.
Oh.
You gonna have to be cooking for me every day. Right, I'm not cooking every day, and I might come home at 11:30 at night and go straight to bed.
Damn.
I swear to God, Martell's like, I thought you said you're gonna be finished in an hour. He gonna learn, after a few years, he gonna learn, like, my last one means at least another more as far as time, because you have a.
Like if I say my last one's at 5:30 and I'll be finished by 7.
And sometimes she stays just trying to avoid traffic, you know, if it's too early.
No, I be having to clean up afterwards. I
Yeah.
have to take all the trashes out and everything. So
Bleach. Now the
Mama does that. She just put pure bleach. She don't dilute it or anything.
I mix the bleach with like some that Mr. Clean. It has
Clean.
gain in it. It's like an all multi-purpose cleaner.
did we ever find out what kind of vegetables it is? It's pretty good.
He said he wouldn't. He didn't say.
Christina,
I think it's pumpkin.
I think
I
that's
feel like it's pumpkin or squash or. It's like some type of.
I was done when I started, huh?
You eat that little piece of bread, now eat more because you're recording yourself and your people gonna see
Yeah,
you
they
wasting
don't
food. You know somebody gonna be like, do you know how much food that was wasted?
Well, you go
I
eat
could
it
have fed so
then.
many children.
You go feed them children. Don't they got a hotline for that?
$7 a month. Sponsor a kid.
You don't even know if you really
Them be
feeding
like
them
the little kids that
kids.
we seen on ATV. Them like the little kids they be trying to sponsor.
That money don't even go to them
They
kids.
lying.
They be using people.
I hate them so much. The world be lying. That's why I can't stand humans.
See her photo.
You show volunteers. Cookies is
Oh,
fire though.
Oh, she sent all the
Cookies
pictures
is
too?
fire, yes.
I was happy because that's all I wanted was some good boat pictures.
At the top, but I have some more, because most of the trip I have them on. Professional photos, I don't have them.
What was that
See
sound?
better lighting in here?
Timer.
Is that?
That's a timer on there.
Did you go to school for photography?
YouTube school. I just looked at YouTube videos, honestly, and then you just play around with it.
YouTube University.
And
Yeah.
then you purchased you a camera?
But I got a camera after like 2 years of me doing YouTube. At first I started off with just my phone and a DVD rack. Tia bought me my first tripod because she saw my little setup that I had going on. And she was like, sis, you want me to get you a tripod? I said, heck yeah.
She caught him inside.
Okay, I got her to get single shooting.
She caught it inside the class. She did, and then let the bitch out. Now she gonna put myself water. Get up.
Chef Tomas.
Cause she's special.
Thank you.
And para me.
I love fancy stuff.
Hey.
Sister, you gotta look up. I'm taking a picture of you.
She's cute, man. Oh,
No, he gonna get you. He gonna get you. Alright, let me show you.
So this is a piece of cheese.
A little cheese, it's called cheese skirt or something like that. Like they just melt the cheese and then take it off.
Wow, y'all, look at that.
And it becomes like
That
a little.
is amazing.
Mustard on
Man, this is 5-star restaurant type. Stop playing with us, okay? What's that stuff underneath? Like asparagus or something?
It looks like some kind of carrot.
White asparagus?
Still going from?
Hey, hey, niggas ain't gotta respect. Niggas just gotta accept. I put that top left. I love my Crody to death. Hype Williams, Lil X. If he don't say it direct, could give a fuck. Yo, I put some ice on my hand.
That is a potato.
What's potato?
How did
This?
they do like that?
Yeah.
like a breaded potato.
It's like cheesy too.
Oh my God.
She was nervous.
Really?
Oh, that's the one you wanted, huh?
Yeah.
Okay,
I had
good.
ordered them like the end of April.
Cause I remember you was saying you was worried if they was
And I was
gonna
like, okay, I got some shit. What, 23 days?
They came like the Wednesday before we left.
Yep.
Who did you order that with?
West Kiss.
Oh wow, really? Cause I work with West Kids.
Really? Baby, I was on WhatsApp with them bitches at 4 in the morning because I know they don't be up when we up. They up when we sleep.
I get here the next day, sometimes 2 days after.
But
Our
it's
email
crazy because it was
correspondence.
like, I be ordering anything custom. I just order something like that. And yeah.
That's good to know. I'm gonna let people know about them. Cause they don't do that to me.
I had little curly wigs, little 16-inch. I was like, well, sister, the hair don't come to you.
And I was looking at them like, damn.
She was looking at it
Burnt it
like,
over.
I'd rather wear my own hair.
So this is West Kiss hair. That's crazy. When I tell you I work with them all the time,
Really? And they always want, hey, babes. Honey.
they have my sister waiting 23 days, y'all. I'm gonna holla at y'all. Wow, unreal. Yeah, so that's why people be like, oh, you YouTubers be getting this and this. Now I see why, because they treat the customers like whatever. And then they send stuff to me super fast. Because they want me to hurry up and get that video up.
They keep emailing me like, let us know how you like the hair. Send pics.
Yeah, because they're trying to get free promo out of
I
you.
know.
That's what the dude did. The dude, what's it called?
To do it.
They keep on sending you messages talking about leave a review. But I never do it. They just keep on sending me stuff. I haven't even worn it here yet.
Oh, the wig? No, the little curly bob.
No. This is a long, well, it's long to be 16 inches.
Yeah, 16 inches ain't long. Straight curly.
Just bite it.
It's garnish. Don't eat it.
No, it's not garnish.
It is a garnish.
Just let her eat her little rabbit.
She's crazy.
Go on, Bugs.
Wow, she ate the whole thing.
That's not even, that's like, shoot, I don't even know what that is. That's, they got
Now
that
she's
right
gonna
off
wash
that
it
tree.
down with some regular food.
They got it right off that tree in the back.
Excuse me.
And that bird was pecking that water fountain again.
Yeah, he's really like,
We've been doing that all day.
they need to put some.
Maybe he's sharpening his beak.
No, I think he's
For
taking
that
little,
pool guy the next
I think
morning.
he's taking little pieces of that, whatever is sealing, and he's taking it back and molding it like the bottom of, like, the foundation of his.
I don't think so. He's not that smart to know that.
They are smart.
They are smart.
He already crazy.
I thought he was getting water
You'll
to
find all
soften
kinds
up
of-
his sticks. So
He not even getting water. He's getting stuff that's
He's
a
hitting the
Yeah.
silver part.
yeah.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, Monterey Road.
Oh yeah.
Here we go.
Oh, Sissy came a long way.
Yes, man.
Hey, my birthday.
He took a strawberry from the thing. This is beautiful, and he made this.
I literally.
So I put water in mine, you guys. They got champagne. Ooh, fine.
You know what?
Believe it or not, you guys, this is mashed potatoes. I know it looks like a little cake or something, but it's mashed potatoes. Look at the bottom of it. That's how you know it's mashed potatoes. Bomb.
Let's take this out.
I love those little sparkler things.
Wow, that was so amazing. I didn't even know you had all of that. Look at this little thing. You got a little
It
picture.
was so y'all got it. Was
All right, you guys. So dinner is over. This was my little outfit of the day, outfit of the nights, really. I'm gonna wear this outfit again because I literally wore this for like an hour. Not today, but I'm gonna wear it like another day or whatever. But take pictures in it or something. It's cute. We're gonna take pictures tomorrow. I'm wearing white tomorrow with my little white jumpsuit. What's up, y'all? So I actually took a nap for a little bit because I was tired. I have been tired. But it is a rainstorm again, guys. Remember I told y'all on the weather I checked that it was gonna be raining? But it's like lightning and everything. Oh shit, the lights are out outside. Dang, I wish I could see this. It's like stuff moving everywhere. See, they turned the lights out outside. Like there's nobody outside anymore. You guys can't even see nothing. It's so dark. I wonder why they turned the lights out. But it's like a storm, y'all. Y'all can't even see it. It's like lightning and everything. Yeah, I gotta take my makeup off. Look at me. Look how I woke up. Just exposed like a motherfucker. I don't know what happened here. I had to take me a quick little nap. My makeup still look good, dude. You can't even tell. I was asleep. You could just tell that my shirt was like this. So just like every morning, he makes us a fresh fruit platter. We got some toast here. Of course, we have some pancakes, bacon, sausage, eggs, sunny side up eggs, and orange juice today. He gives us these waters. Look at the Dasani water out here. This water is actually really good, by the way. Like their version of it, at least. And then I have some coffee here. I just have it covered up with this napkin because it was like flies or whatever. All right, you guys, so this is my breakfast. A very simple breakfast. I eat very light. I don't eat like a lot. So I just have one pancake, some eggs, sausage, bacon, fruit, and then some orange juice. So yeah, I keep mine real simple. I don't eat too much. It makes my stomach hurt when I get too full.
Because now there's no cold, there's no flu, there's nothing, it's just COVID, you know, like
Beautiful today, guys.
Oh, you're not going?
We know, but sometimes
No,
in the US,
no,
we have to move things just when
Yeah. Oh my God, it hurt. Here longer, the test got less invasive. Because when I got it was just right here. And then another lady, she kind of went a little bit right here.
Yeah, it's not necessary to go.
I don't care.
To your brain, huh?
Exactly, you know, to the brain.
Yeah.
Oh. The thing, at 3 o'clock, they're gonna pick you up and go to the mall.
Okay.
Dominican Mall, okay?
Perfect. I'm getting lots of stuff for my
Chocolate,
family.
rum, cigars.
And it's nice.
Yeah, you guys, it's rum out here, not tequila. Tequila's Mexico.
Yes, sir.
This is
Rum.
rum.
Yes, the Caribbean is rum.
This is rum. No, but you know what is very famous here?
Even in Jamaica, it's rum as well.
Coffee. You drink coffee, guys?
Jamaica is rum.
Yes.
Anything.
Is there any way we can get white Hennessy to take back home or no? Probably in the airport.
Yeah, but you can go to the duty free because you are leaving.
Yeah.
You can enter when you're coming.
Okay.
Pure white, you mean, no?
The white Hennessy. They don't sell it in America.
No.
No, they don't sell it in
It's
America.
it's like a big deal. We're gonna get some.
We're gonna get something at the airport. If we don't have it.
It's very quick. Man, it's so beautiful today. The sun finally came out.
Because they had all that rain last night. Ooh, that rain was crazy. The thunder.
So yeah, I'm getting my black card. I'm playing dominoes with the fam. It's only right, you know what I'm saying?
For the first time.
For the first time. No, I don't want to tell them that. They're gonna.
Okay, edit that part out.
No, I'm gonna keep it real, keep it funky. You know what I'm saying? I don't play dominoes.
It's 5 on each side. Or
Okay.
big 4 on each side.
And it gotta be 6, right?
Yeah, right now it gotta be 6. So if you got a 6 and a 3, it'll be 15.
Okay.
So if you got a 6 and a 3 on the other end, it'll be 15. You just gotta add it like that sometimes.
Oh, Lord. All right, so now it's either 5, 1, or 6.
5.
Remember
Yeah, I got 10.
when we played at the house, I had picked up all of them.
Oh.
And I didn't have like maybe that many in her hand maybe. And I still dominoed. I still ended up dominoing having all those bones. So it just...
So it might work out for
Now
me.
make sure you get my points because I don't want you to forget now.
Okay.
You're gonna give me my 10.
So I got a whole week.
What is that?
That's 20?
No.
15?
Yep. There you go. You in the game.
Pass me up.
Whole week.
Yeah.
months.
14.
We need 90 days to make to let go of the tobacco leaf, and you cut them and do it dry here. And when you get the leaf dried, so you can start the process. Here you get a fermentation process. Fermentation is you need 6 months to 8 months to ferment the leaf.
Fermentation.
Yes, you know, cigars is not the same than cigarette.
Yeah.
And the cigar, you don't have nicotine, you don't have aesthetic. For that, more people prefer to smoke cigar than cigarette. Yeah. After the fermentation, you get the aging. Aging is a long process. You see the people smoke flavor cigar, chocolate, vanilla, cherry. They here in this process we make the liquor. If you want to smoke cognac, white Hennessy, chocolate, vanilla, we put the flavor here and make them before making the cigars. Okay? After fermentation, the aging. So here we get the cigar ready to smoke.
You're learning something at the same time.
Yeah. Here we get different brands.
That looks like Fanta leaf.
That is a Fanta leaf.
You will see the process to here and you can smoke some too, because the guy is going to show you, okay?
See, Christina, look. Right here, Fanta leaf.
Oh my God.
You see? And then what is this little turning thing? Excuse me. They got swishers. I don't know why I want a swisher. Why didn't you got backwards? Let's go backwards. Dominican backwood. Oh. With the leaf, Christina, he making it right here.
Come here, guy. Now we will show you. I want to see the process. Santiago is a professional guy, so he makes cigars. So make one, but you can try to. You cannot make two. Okay? You know, to make one cigars, you need 3 different kinds of tobacco leaf. You remember that I explained, yeah? You need a binder, filler, and the wrapper.
Rubber.
Binder, yeah,
Look
that's
at
it.
You're using the grabber leaf.
Yes.
Grabber?
Yeah. Yeah. Binder. Binder. That's the
Binder.
Binder, filler, and the wrapper. The filler is that.
That's the filler.
Ahorita te lo venden.
And all it is.
The filler is 85% of the leaf.
Oh, okay.
Just can wet it inside and fill the border when you get it full here and close it good in the press machine here for 25 minutes.
Oh, wow.
After 25 minute press, so the cigars come like this.
It'll dry out.
But not ready to smoke. Yeah, but now we put the last leaf, the wrapper. Okay. What kind of cigar you usually smoke? Medium, light? Small, sweet one?
I don't really have a preference.
Yeah, we make one medium.
Still.
Right there. It's a special day.
So mama one.
It tastes better than the Lagama.
One any. I don't drink.
Okay.
Cheers to the birthday girl.
Salud. So thank you guys. Thank you for your time. Thank you. You can thank you to Santiago.
Thank you.
Thank you, Santiago.
Thank you to Cigars and you will let you.
Going to go shopping. Hola. This is real cute. I want this right here. I want it. This is cute. Got a little gold top.
thinking of dumb shit.
No, to put on my counter.
Oh yeah.
For a
that's
memory,
right.
you know?
That is cute.
That's it. I don't sell them and gift for
Yeah,
me.
right. Get more.
I have no room. So you guys, right now we're just shopping in this little mall. You see? It's not even really a mall. It's just like a little shopping center. I wish they would have took us to the mall down the street because they had a van store and stuff. I'd rather go there. But I got some things for my best friend and myself or whatever. We have some shirts and stuff back here. Some different art. Oh, they got some Crocs. Oh wow. Yeah. I wonder what I would have to cleanse this stuff with some Palo Santo because I don't know what kind of energy is in these things.
Somebody's actually making it right here. They left.
Oh wow. Look guys. Like pottery classes. Yeah. And then back here is just clothes. Like stuff for kids. Oh, maybe I can get something for Corey. Little Corey, my baby girl. I love her. Let's see. Oh, anything? They got like this little hat. Punta Cana hat. She ain't gonna wear that though. Y'all wanna see my outfit for today? This is my outfit of the day, even though I didn't show y'all earlier. See the vibes? It's my outfit. Okay, period. Don't hurt him, girl. Yeah.
Together, would you? Easter.
These are my nails. Aren't they so cute? So this is one size, what they look like. Super cute. And then love these. These are probably like my favorite nails ever. So cute. Look at that. So you guys, this is our last night here. This is our final dinner. Let's see what we got. Thanks to the chef back there. What's up? What's up? Taco night. It's taco night. Look. Love tacos. Heck yeah. Yes, taco night is in full effect. I love tacos. How did they know?
Because they asked. They asked the room. Tastemaker like.
Got the hard and soft shell.
Yeah. Oh, got some other good stuff.
We're excited. Sorry.
Hey. Yeah.
What you going through? I wanna be down. I wanna be down with you. Down with you. It's true. I wanna be. I know anybody's gonna be lonely without the reason they got someone to care for.
Morning. Christina, what is those? Are those biscuits or something else?
Oh my god, that's the dish that the guy told me to try. This is this is plantains. They grill them and they smash them. This is the fried salmon. This is the pickle onion. You're supposed to put it. This is mango.
Yeah.
One of my friends on Snapchat told me, try that dish.
Mango with
And then
Okay. I'll try it.
traditional Dominican breakfast.
I woke up 3 times today. I woke up at 6, 7, 8. Every hour on the hour. I think I would just like make sure you don't wake up too late.
Hola, I'm gonna miss you.
It's Celestine.
Celestina.
Sí, Dominique.
Denise, ya estás llego. Ya.
Bye, Celine.
Ay, mi amor.
One more. Okay. See me. It's my outfit to the airport. Bye, Chef Tomas. See you next time. Thank you. Bye, Elias.
See you next time.
Good day. Oh, we're out of here, guys. It's been, we got the same driver. And it's the house. That's it, y'all. That's it. This is the front. I don't know if I ever recorded it. We got to get to the airport, though. I got to go, y'all. Bye.